Hey, it's Kamori, and today we're going to be making the jacket for Moonchan. For Moonchan's sweater, I decided to deviate a little bit from the source material. In BS Apricot's designs, Moonchan is wearing a yellow raincoat, which is really cute, but I don't like the look of that particular color on me. I don't think it's very flattering, so I decided to make a hoodie using McCall's 4261, and I'm just going to be extending the length of the sweater, and I'm going to be omitting the zipper in the front. And this was partially inspired by this soft fabric that I found in, I think it's the soft and comfy section. It's a gray minky type material, and it has an almost embossed, for lack of a better word, star design all over it. Then we're going to cut out the pieces and zigzag along the edges to keep them from fraying. If you have a serger or overlock machine, this would be an excellent opportunity to use it. We're going to switch things up this time and start with the sleeves. So we're going to start by folding the sleeve in half, and we're going to sew it together along the side. To make the cuffs, we're going to start by taking the base cuff piece and fold it in half, sew along the edge. Then we're going to turn it right side out and fold it in half the opposite direction and sew along the edge to keep everything in place. Putting right sides together, sew the cuff onto the bottom of the sleeve. Moving on to the hood, we're going to put right sides together and sew it together along the curved edge. To make the pocket, we're going to be making our own pattern instead of using the one included with the McCall's pattern, and we're going to start by just cutting a rectangle out of the fabric and hemming all along the edges. Fold the top of the pocket piece down and sew it in place. Position the pockets onto the front jacket pieces and sew it together along the edge, leaving the top open. Then we're going to sew the jacket pieces together along the shoulder seam and along the side seam. Next, we're going to sew the hood onto the rest of the jacket, and we're going to hem with a rolled hem all along the edge of the hood, down along the front of the jacket, and around to the bottom. Then sew the sleeves onto the jacket. And with that, Moonchan is done. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.